Good morning, everyone. Today is June 7th, 2020, and we are going to learn about the Wasan, first Wasan poem of Jodo Wasan, Wasan of the Pure Land today. So please join me in Gassho. Please put your palms together. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda. And we are going to chant Juseige. And Juseige is on page 93 if you have physical copy. And if not, please download from the description section of this video. Okay. Dagon Choseigan Hishimu Jodo Shigan Funanzo Seifu Joshogak Gao Muryoko Fui Dai Seishu Fusai Shobingu 政府上昇学、下市上仏道、妙正長実法、空教未正門、政府上昇学、美欲人少年、上映修本業、しぐむ浄土、一生天人師、人力縁大公、不生無才道、頂上三空明、交際集約難、回避知恵言、滅死根の案、閉塞小悪道、通達前修門、放送上満足、異様老実法、日月修十期、天候音符言、異種解放像、公正空読法、上王大集中、説法四四空、空用一切仏、仏足習徳本、元年失上満、得意三害用、妙仏無下知、通達未不詳、感覚営力、投資最小損、志願脈国家、大戦を感動、航空商店員、統鎮妙慶。ナマンダブ、ナマンダブ、ナマンダブ、ナマンダブ、ナマンダブ、ナマ And I'd like to share the first Wasan poem on the Wasan of the Pure Land. So please join me in 合唱. Please put your palms together. 弥陀の名号を唱えつつ、信心誠に得る人は、億年の心常にして、仏頓報ずる思いありと。Those who truly attain Shinjin, as they utter Amita's name, being mindful of the Buddha always, wish to respond to the great benevolence. ナモアミダ仏、ナモアミダ仏、ナモアミダ仏、ナマンダ仏、ナンマンダ仏、ナンマンダ仏、ナンマン。So thank you for attending today's service. And I talked about the prefatory word yesterday. And today's Wasan is the first Wasan. And today's Wasan and tomorrow's Wasan is called Kanto Wasan. I don't have Chinese characters right now, but Kan means crown, you know, the king or queen wears, and To means head, and Wasan is Wasan. So it's like the Wasan poems on top of the head, just like crown. And as the crown of the king represents that he is the king, these two Wasans represents what Jodo Wasan, Wasan of the Pure Land, is about. And today's Wasan, I would like to focus on talking about the line, being mindful of the Buddha always, from this Wasan poem. And being mindful in original word is okunen. I hope you can see it, okunen. Generally means being mindful. And in Jodo Shinshu, okunen specifically means to entrust oneself to the working of the primal vow of Amida Buddha. So I suppose the word okunen is synonym of shinjin, entrusting heart. And I would like to share a few passages from Shinran Shongin's writings, which talks about okunen. First in Shoshinge, it said, okunen mi da butsu hongan, ji nen soku ji nyu hitsujo. The moment one thinks on Amita's primal vow, one is naturally brought to enter the stage of the definitely settled. So from this passage, we can understand that okunen is same as shinjin. And second, in chapter on shinjin of Kyogyo Shinsho, Shinran Shongin said, okunen wa sunawachi, kore shinjitsu no isshin nari. Mindfulness is a true and real mind that is single. And this is from the section Shinran Shongin is talking about one thought moment. And true and real mind that is single is also synonym of shinjin. So okunen is same as shinjin in here too. And third, in Notes on Essential of Faith Alone, Shinran Shongin said, holding mindfulness means that people of true shinjin constantly recall the primal vow without interruption. And recalling the primal vow means to hear the origin and fulfillment of the primal vow. And according to chapter on Shinjin of Kyogyo Shinsho, hearing the origin and fulfillment of the primal vow equals to Shinjin and trusting heart. So this passage is also expressing Okunen as synonym of Shinjin. So understanding of the word Okunen, being mindful of the Buddha, equals to Shinjin and trusting heart. And this is expressed well in postscript of Tangnisho. When I consider deeply the vow of Amida, which arose from 5 kalpas of profound thought, I realized that it was entirely for the sake of myself alone. Then how I am filled with gratitude for the primal vow in which Amida resolved to save me, though I am burdened with such heavy karma. So because of our nature of not being able to abandon the 5 passions, such as 3 poisons of greed, anger, and ignorance, Amida Buddha grasps us and never abandons us. So we are always in the working of great compassionate mind of Amida Buddha. So we reply to Buddha's benevolence with uttering Namo Amida Butsu. So I hope today's explanation helped to understand this Wasan poem. And today we are having Sunday service from 10 a.m. So if you have time, please join our Oregon Buddhist Temple's morning service from 10 a.m. too. I will be live streaming from YouTube and Facebook also. And, since I started the Letters of Renyo and this series, I was thinking, there are so many ministers now doing the live stream of the services, and everybody have strong points. Some ministers who speaks English shares the teaching in English, and those who speak Japanese shares the teaching in Japanese. Those who speak both try to do in both, and those who's good at chanting can, live stream the beautiful service, and those who have knowledge can share their knowledge of Jodo Shinshu. And me, I don't know what is my strong point is. I like to study, so I guess sharing what I have learned from studying is a kind of point of having this morning service. So, this is not, I'm telling you something or teaching you something, that this service also gives me the opportunity to learn more about Jodo Shinshu teaching again. So I hope we are able to deepen our understanding of Jodo Shinshu together every morning. So thank you for attending, and let's close with Gassho. So please join me in Gassho and Nembutsu. Namo Amida Butsu. Namo Amida Butsu. Namo Amida Butsu. Namanda Butsu. Namanda Butsu. Namanda Butsu. And tomorrow, we are going to read the second Wasan poem of the Jodo Wasan, Wasan of the Pure Land. So I hope to see you tomorrow morning, and hopefully you are able to join us for the morning service from 10 a.m. too. So have a great day.